Okay, people, you're here because you found yourself on this page right here. This is some instructions so you can get to your ebook from us. Okay, when they first click on that, and you probably remember this, you saw this. This is a page that we're going to collect your information so we can, communicate with you with emails. Okay, this is the page that you went to, and here's what you got to do. Down at the bottom of this page, you're going to go back here. You're going to take your sponsor's ID after the equal sign right there. You're going to come back here, paste it in here, generate the HTML code right there, copy and paste it, put it in a new window right here. Voila! There is your downloadable ebook, How to Become a Millionaire. So I hope this has been helpful. Thank you.